Let's talk favorites. These are the products that I have not been able to stop using all month long. Let's just get right into it and let me know, please, in the comments, what are the products that you have been loving for the month of January, because I am always looking to find new favorites. This Beso Balm lip mask from JLo Beauty, it is so beautiful. It feels delicious and luxurious on the lips, and it truly leaves them softer, plumper. It goes on so smooth, and it has this lovely, like, soft vanilla scent. I love to use this in the daytime as just a light gloss, but I also wear it overnight as a lip mask for that ultra hydrating treatment, and my lips wake up so much better. This Tea Time Essence from Biro is insane. This is literally superfood for your skin. And can we just talk about, this is the most innovative, cool toner I've ever seen in my life. So you have this milky part and then this tea part, like English breakfast tea. And when you shake it, they combine. Love this because it's good for all skin types and it feels so nourishing, hydrating, soothing, and it really plumps up the skin. I love to use this before makeup as well. This definitely boosts my skin's moisture. It feels so hydrated. It leaves me with a glow. I just love this stuff. It is a special toner for sure. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Masks. I feel like I see these everywhere. I see girls wearing their little gold patches looking so chic. So I had to try these and I'm so happy that I did. I unfortunately do get kind of puffy under eyes in the mornings especially, so popping these on is a game changer and they really work. My under eyes end up so smooth, so hydrated and depuffed. These are a must-have. If I use these before doing my makeup, I'm gonna have the best makeup day ever. I know that. If you have any special important event, there's no way I would get ready without these. These are just luxury. I want gold on my face, you know? Benefit Lil Brow Loves. I love this set because I have all of my brow necessities in these cute little mini sizes and they get the job done, let me tell you. Love going in with the pencil to add any definition anywhere in the brow that I feel it needs. And then the Gimme Brow, this is almost like mascara for your eyebrows. So I love running this through my brows to build up their fullness. And then the 24-hour brow setter to make sure that it all stays in place all day long. This is super cool because it has a dual-ended brush. So it just coats every single little brow hair. You can really get in there and manipulate your brows however you like, and it holds. The iconic London Smoky Eye Secret. This little palette gives me everything I need. This will be beautiful on anyone. They're so buttery, so blendable. I think this is effortless. It's literally the only eyeshadow palette that I need, and I love the baked formula. It's super unique. This Bare Minerals Maximist Mascara is insane. If you are looking for volume in your lashes, this is the one. It actually has fibers in it, so it builds up that volume, and it has this really large, bristly brush that just builds volume like no other. Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow. Natasha Denona formulas are out of this world. I trust anything that she comes out with, and this is no exception. It is so beautiful. I love this mini packaging because I love to bring this on the go with me. I can throw it in my bag, and the finish of this blush and highlight are so cool, so unique. The blush is this duochrome kind of shifty pink, so it really picks up light and adds glow to the skin. And then the highlighter is so icy, so reflective, and it even has these little very fine shimmery sparkles in it. So sometimes I also use it as an eyeshadow topper. It is just gorgeous. Just look how cute and pretty that is. I don't know anybody who wouldn't like this. I love a travel perfume set because, again, I want to throw these in my bag. I want to have them with me on the go at all times for touch-ups. And this one is so cool because this little guy is a perfume oil and then this one is a perfume. So you have your option of which one you want to go with, or you can layer them for added intensity and longevity. I actually haven't put any fragrance on today, so I want to pop this perfume on. I have been loving this so much. It's this really beautiful, warm, woodsy scent. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. It's just so good. I love it. Scent, I would say, is super fresh, clean. It could be definitely a signature scent for someone. I love this. It's so warm and earthy. It has notes of sandalwood, It's just beautiful. I really don't think you can go wrong with this. And this brand is really incredible because it is clean fragrance. So if you're sensitive or worried about anything like that, this is just an incredible option. Amika Hydro Rush Leave-In Conditioner Spray. First of all, Amika products smell incredible. I'm obsessed with every single one that I've tried, and every time I put this in my hair, my boyfriend hugs me and is like, "Why do you smell so good? Oh my God, your hair smells amazing." It's this every time without fail. And I love it too. I can't blame him. I recently had my hair cut and my stylist did tell me that my ends were looking dry, and he said I needed more hydrating products. So I've started using this. It's helped so much. It's really, really good for hair dryness. It is a leave-in conditioner, so it conditions the hair, it moisturizes it. I've also noticed less frizz, and just my hair is really manageable. I think everybody needs a good leave-in conditioner, and Amika is one of my favorite brands. That's all for my monthly favorites. Please be sure to like and comment. Let me know if you've tried any of these things or what are you looking forward to trying. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos.